Okay, this question actually appears in the Catholic Higher prelim questions. Okay, it's a PSL question. So state the physical property of the iron arm for the circuit breaker to work. Okay, circuit breaker means if the current is too strong, right, it will cut off the electrical current. So how does it work? Actually, it works by, there's one person he can't get in. Let me see. Kia, are you here? Let me see. Hold on for a second. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, a circuit breaker works if the current is too strong, it cut off the supply. So this is how it works. So number one, the iron arm must be magnetic. So you put it as magnetic. So this is how it works. Okay, when too much electric current, the wire coil around the fixed metal coil, which is here, will become a stronger electromagnet. So it will attract the iron arm downwards. So as it moves downwards, right, the metal contact will be separated. Okay, so this is how you write. Okay. Okay, do take note, I put a remark on the right-hand side. Do not use the word overcome. That is for part C, as some of you have the tendency to use the word overcome. So you should say, the magnetic force of attraction between, okay, this is a short form for between, put B/W, between the metal cylinder and the iron arm is greater than the elastic spring force. Okay, so take note of that. And I will screen share this part to every one of you for the answer, this part. Capture and send to the group. Okay, 36. Okay, so this part I will draw a little bit, right, to give you some hint. Okay. Okay, so you see, you must satisfy this condition here. But instead of drawing here, right, you're supposed to draw in the next page. So this should be the answer. So you should draw number one. This is how the examiner mark. Make sure there are two batteries in series. Okay. Then this part, FGH. FGH is this part, right? They are connected in parallel. E is the one that blocks everything. So if bulb E fuses, all cannot light up. Okay. So this is the answer that you should draw on this page. Okay. This part. Okay, write the letter S in the circuit diagram to show where the switch could be placed. So your S should be somewhere here. The S. To show that the switch, because this switch will turn off all the four bulbs at the same time. It can also be on the other side. So it can also be here. Because it blocks the main wire. So either here or there. Okay. So there are two possible answers. Next. Okay. So this one, okay, I haven't finished the answer here. They say if only S1 was closed, what would happen to the brightness of B1, B2, and B3 if we added another bulb? So you can see this position X, right? If you put another bulb here, if this is the blue color line, I show the flow of electricity. You'll notice that the four bulbs will be connected in series. So therefore, the brightness of B1, B2, and B3 will decrease. Okay? So the brightness of B1, B2, and B3 will decrease. Okay, because the fourth bulb, right? The fourth bulb is connected in parallel. No, it's connected in series. is connected in series to the 3 bulbs, which were in series 2. Okay. So there's a reason for this. Okay, the 4th bulb is connected in series to the 3 bulbs which were in series 2. So take note of this. Okay, this one is to draw the circuit diagram, which is quite simple. Okay, so this one, the circuit diagram, right? You just draw. Again, I use this color. So there are 2 in series, right? So you just draw 2 bulbs. Okay. And then there's a switch, and this switch is closed on. So, okay, never mind. Later, then I add in the dots. Okay. So you draw, there are 2 bulbs here. 2 bulbs in series. Okay. Connected to here. So this is 2 dots. So you put 1 here. Okay. Next, in parallel, same thing. So this one, but below you draw this way. 1, 2. And then the 2 dots is a closed circuit. Okay. Okay. Next one, why does the bulb not lit up? Okay, because this one, the plastic spoon is the hint I put it here, right? Plastic is an insulator of electricity. So you should say, yeah, plastic is an insulator of electricity. It does not allow electricity to pass through. Okay. So you say plastic is an insulator of electricity. It does not allow okay. Okay, so this 2, right? I capture this one. Okay. And this one. Okay, next page. Okay, this one you can see this part is the open circuit. So it said the circuit is open, electricity cannot flow through. This one, the polarity connected wrongly. So it said the batteries are arranged wrongly. Positive poles must be connected to negative poles. Okay, so these are the reasons in this part. Okay, next. Okay, below, provide a solution. So these 3 diagrams are related to these 3. So the solution is number 1, already done for you. Replace the plastic spoon with a metal spoon. Okay, secondly, because the paper clip, there's an open circuit, right? So you say close the circuit by connecting the end of the paper clip to the open end of the wire. And the third one is arrange the two batteries such that the positive end connected to the negative end. So these are the solutions. Okay, next. Okay, this one is supposed to put a tick in the correct box. So if you check everything correctly, your two ticks should be here, one tick here. Okay. Adjust the breadth, the width. So it should be here and here. Okay. They've given two possible reasons for the situation when S1 and S2 are closed, but none of the bulb light up. So the two possible reasons is the battery may be faulty, or one or more bulbs may be fused. Okay, two reasons. Okay, two reasons for that. Okay, next. Okay, part C. When both S1 and S2 are closed, B1 fuse, but the others continue to light up. Why? Okay, because the current can still flow through the circuit. Okay, because you see, right, in this part, if S1 and S2 are closed, so this one closed and closed, okay, these two closed, so the current can flow through, actually can flow through everywhere, right? And B1 fuse, this one fuse, right? So the current can still loop here, yeah. So the reason is, let me erase this part first. Because later I send the answer key over. Okay, so you just mentioned, very easy, the electric current can still flow through the circuit. Electric current can still flow through the circuit. Okay, which bulb when fused will cause the other two bulbs not to lit up? So it's B3, because B3 blocks the critical path. So it's B3. The resultant circuit will be an open circuit. Yeah. Resultant means the result of this. Okay, there's a new word you learn, resultant. Okay. Next. Okay, this one I will do after the break. So we stop here, this part. And then we'll see you later after the 10 minutes break. Thank you very much.